Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I'm Eunice Erica M. Orian, 40 years old. I have one son. I finished graduated in college with taking up with 2 years course. I have also a certificate in caregiver. Uh, I've been working in Hong Kong since 2015 until 2023 with two employers. Same duties, ma'am. I've been working in Wampoa with four family members. The duties is taking care with the kids, cooking, cleaning, marketing, uh, and also with the second one, mom is in Taiwan, taking up with two kids. There are four family members. They are very simple. I've been working in almost 6 years here. I like this family. They are very, very happy with me. The duties mom is taking care with the kids, cleaning the house, picking up the kids in their school, cooking their lunch, uh, cooking, marketing, cleaning the house. I like them very much. My hobbies is playing badminton, uh, playing volleyball. Uh, I'm currently here in the Philippines right now, and I've been also work in the Macau with one contract, taking care of four family members with two kids. Picking up the duties are picking up the kids, cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, and washing their clothes. Same within Hong Kong, ma'am. I understand Mandarin and Cantonese, but I only speak in, the basic, but I understand, ma'am. Uh, Thank you and God bless.